What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget, smash that subscribe button, give the video a like, big thumbs up and share. I do appreciate it. Today we have post. Post. Let's get a knife. What's in box number one? Big box with loads of small bits. Oh yeah! So guys, here's just a few of the bits and pieces that we have got from MCG. Fair play to MCG for sponsoring their Fiat build. We got some new bulbs, side light bulbs, and some awesome headlight bulbs. We also have some Instagram tag things they plug in, and you write your Instagram name. We'll actually have a look at them when we open them. We also got our wishbones and track rod ends, all new, brand new from TA Technics that MCG supplied us with. Amazing stuff. Now let's get this box open. So what's in this box, along with the brand new shocks that I got and all the other bits and pieces I have ordered from my local motor factors, this is going to transform the look, ride and feel of the Fiat. So guys, a massive shout out to MCG Auto Styling. This wouldn't be possible without them. They sponsored all this for the Fiat build. Absolute amazing guys to deal with. We're back and forth through with emails, correspondence, all the lot. It was amazing to deal with them, and the staff are amazing to deal with. So if you need anything, make sure you check out the link in the description below for anything that you need for your build. They look after you. Next day shipping, absolutely amazing. 100% best place to deal with for any car parts. Also, I found it very hard to find anything for the Fiat, and I emailed the guys and they had these ready to go. So I got brand new wishbones with track rod ends, the headlights, the side lights and the springs like that. Absolute amazing guys to deal with. So yeah, check the link in the description below and head on over and check the guys out. Really do appreciate them for sponsoring these bits for the Fiat build. Couldn't help myself but take the springs and the new shocks out and have a look. All I'm waiting for are the shock tops, and these can be put in. So first thing we're going to fit some side bulbs and these awesome headlight bulbs that MCG has sent me. Let's get these in the car. These lights are amazing, so much brighter than the ones that we had in it, and you can hear them, literally, the little fans running. They're so bright, and we will see them at night time. Massive thank you to MCG for sending me the headlights for the Fiat. Simply amazing, such a difference to the front of this car. I know the Fiat's taken a while, but it's taken me a while to save up the money for all these new parts and to get it ready for paint, organise some of the paint, to pay for the paint. Then I have to get it off the new mate Kev to get the tints done and the vinyl wrap, and then I have to order a sticker pack for the car. Also, my missus is going to make me stickers for the car, the ones that I can't actually buy, because I am doing an old school Ferrari / Marlboro livery on the car. For the crack, it's for fun, it's for charity, it's going to be a great little car to go. So yeah, massive shout out to MCG for supplying the parts for the car. Massive shout out to Moonshine Tints for the vinyl wrap he's doing and the tints that he's doing. Massive shout out to Toil Genie and Capital Logistics for supporting the channel all along. And yeah, thanks to everyone else who's helped along the way. Me mate Luke, Reaper, John and my brother Aaron for all the help that they do on the cars. It's amazing, like it's amazing to get a group of friends like that to come through and help you with it, and you'll see it when we're going to be building the garage. Aaron and a few other mates are going to be coming over helping me welding, getting it all together, because eventually they're going to want to use it. So yeah, let's skip to when we're getting the Fiat over to my mate's garage and getting all these things fitted. It's going to be like a week away because of a week of work now, and it's going to be that much of a gap, but we will get it done. So yeah, I hope you enjoy blasting this thing apart and putting it back together.